Good morning, guys. So welcome to the first vlog of 2026. This is January 1, 2026, and Happy New Year again. I know in my last vlog I told you guys that Happy New Year, all the blessings for this year, but we're gonna say it again because it is a new vlog. And I did tell you guys that I'm going to be going out this morning. It is moving on to 10 a.m. and my ride is picking me up at 10 a.m. No, I did say I was gonna start the new year on a great start. I did get up after 6 a.m. this morning and I've been tally-dallying, watching YouTube. I was watching Don Moen. If you know Don Moen, he's a gospel artist. He comes on, he does Wednesday. Today's not Wednesday, but every Wednesday he does what's it named? Worship Wednesdays, something along that line. And yeah, I was watching it. Well, he came live this morning, and then after that I was watching some of his previous lives. His devotions every Wednesday is so good. If you don't know it, Don Moen, check it out. Yeah, so I looking crazy. By the way, I got up this morning and I'm looking like this with my eye. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know what bit me last night or what bit me in my bed. Nothing should not be biting me in my bed, so I'm assuming something bit me up the hill, and it gave me this. Like, on a brand new year, I'm starting with something under my eye. Like, this pretty girl? That's so wrong. That's so wrong. Anyways, I want to get into some new skincare first, and then after that we're gonna get ready. Won't be wearing any makeup, and the next thing, I don't even have time to do makeup because I don't want my ride to be waiting on me and all of that. But anyways, we're getting into our skincare bag for this year, and our face, you know, we need to take care of our skin. By the way, I did do a facial 3 days ago, but I didn't vlog that. I do need to go to a professional, so I need to go on Gustavus to see some deals. If you don't know Gustavus is a local site for Jamaicans. They do have other they are in other countries. I think DR and Panama, I think. I'm not sure, but go on the website Gustavus for all my local peeps, and anything you want: hotels, restaurants, spas, gift cards, stuff like that. You can get discounts. All right. Anyways, so we did purchase some stuff from Amazon, like I mentioned, and the first thing we're gonna cover is this Vanny Cream Gentle Facial Cleanser. When I was watching like a reel or a dermatologist, he was speaking on, you know, good cleansers for the skin, and when he mentioned this brand, because I didn't know it, he mentioned this brand, and I was like, okay, let me try it out. And I have eczema, like I told y'all, so it says for sensitive skin, free of dyes, fragrance, all of that, and this is perfect for me. National Eczema Association, I always mostly buy stuff like that. Like I said, anything for sensitive skin, the girl is gonna try. So I got this for my cleanser. For toner, I've been wanting to try the Ordinary brand, so I got this small bottle. So I'm gonna try it and test it to see how it works for my skin. And the next thing that we got from Ordinary is this natural moisturizing factor. Yeah, I'm gonna try this too. So hopefully these works and it doesn't break me out and all of that. So this is what we're gonna try. I did get a serum, but it's from, which brand again would I normally use? I don't remember, but I put it on the screen. I got that serum. So yeah, we have a whole facial, toner, serum, moisturizer. So I'm gonna be using this. I already washed my face, and so I'm gonna be using this on my face off camera because, like I said, I'm rushing. But this is what we got. I do have some other stuff coming in from Amazon, so when I get those, probably after the 5th, because I know most of the shipping companies here in Jamaica, they're closed until January 5th. So next week I will show you guys some new stuff that I got. And remember, I told y'all I purchased something for my apartment. I can't wait to show you guys that next week. And then we do need to purchase some more stuff, but like I told y'all, I decided I need to make this unit my home. So we're gonna get I need to buy some picture frames, we need to buy this, there's so many stuff to buy. So we're gonna get into it. So this year, brand new, we're gonna make our space a little more homey, a little more comfortable, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna rush to get ready. When I'm ready, I'll be back, show you guys what I'm wearing, and we're gonna start this new year with a ball, with fun, with excitement. And yeah, let's go. Guys, so we are ready to go, and this is the dress that I'm wearing. Oops, I'm falling. This dress is from Shein. It's very cute, has like a little half open back right here. And yeah, we're not wearing the makeup. I told you guys that. I'm just gonna put on my sunglasses, and we're wearing our MK wedge. Of course, I'm gonna bring a flat, but it's really not needed, but I'm still gonna bring it because I heard it's not really a grass event, but it should be in it. I don't know. But yeah, this is a fit, and I will see you guys when I'm outside. By the way, my natural hair is not, I washed the leave out part this morning, and for some reason it's just not blending at all. So I may need to have like put both of the hair behind my ears to keep my natural hair in check, because we can't have our natural hair blowing. And I was trying to fix this. You know, I'm just gonna let it stay. It is what it is. It looks a little bit chaotic, but whatever. Oh yeah, loving the dress. So cute. Yeah, so my ride left me because I was running late. So I'm in a taxi now heading to the event.
Stanford. He was on streets.
A long time when I say tuxedo? Oh my god, this feels good. Long time, guys. Hey guys, so I made it at the event, and I also ate, so we're gonna head into the party now. The dress is given. By the way, I could have swore I saw somebody in this Shein dress. You see, this is why I don't wear Shein dress to certain events, you know, because I could have swore I saw somebody wearing this. I'm not gonna lie.
Look what the whole body can do.
So guys, just a short break. I'm in the bathroom. When it comes down to certain events with certain money, like you get decent bathrooms. So this bathroom has AC, and in here is so cool. You have a cute mirror here. Like it's like a camper, you know, it's like an upscale bathroom. So nice cute mirror. Here's that, the toilet area. We got the AC. In here is so cool. I wish I could stay in here all day. Anyways, let's head out back inside. The party is going so well, y'all.
No cap.
Yeah. Yeah.
I took the top off. I'm tripping like hot sauce. I got drink and clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. I don't look like a loco. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch in the belt down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town. Is it gonna you the best? I done went and got a check. I'm about to flex.